Hello friends, welcome to the online education. This is the lecture number 8 and subject 502 organic chemistry and spectroscopy. Now we have learned about the muta rotation. Muta rotation. We have learned about the in the previous lecture periodic acid method. And now we have learned about the muta rotation. So first of all, what is the muta rotation? And this is the definition of a muta rotation. When an aldohexose is dissolved in water, its optical rotation gradually changes. What is the muta rotation? When an aldohexose is dissolved in water, the aldohexose is dissolved in water and its optical rotation gradually changes. Optical rotation was changes until a constant rotation characteristics of a sugar is attained. Until a constant rotation characteristics of sugar is attained. So, some type of aldohexose is dissolved in the water and its optical rotation it will be changes until the changes, and sometimes it was the constant rotation, and this type of sugar and this type of phenomenon is called mutarotation. Mutarotation. So, first of all, when an aldohexose is dissolved in water, its optical rotation gradually changes until a constant rotation of a characteristics of a sugar is attained, and this phenomenon is known as mutarotation. So, this is the definition of a mutarotation. Now, some facts regarding the mutarotation are as follows. Some type of characteristics of mutarotation process, and this is the some facts of a mutarotation. First, all reducing sugars exhibits mutarotation. What kind of sugars? So, reducing sugars. All reducing sugars exhibits the mutarotation. Second type, the phenomenon of a mutarotation occurs slowly in aqueous medium. The phenomenon of mutarotation occurs slowly in aqueous medium. The medium was aqueous, the mutarotation process is slowly. But however its rate, the optical rotation, however the rate can enhance either by heating the solution or by adding the some type of catalyst such as acid or base. Acid or base. First of all, the phenomenon of mutarotation occurs slowly in aqueous medium, but we have heating the solution or adding the some type of catalyst like acid or base. So the rate of mutarotation, the phenomenon of mutarotation is increased by adding of the some type of catalyst and heating the solution. But in aqueous medium, it is slowly. The rate of mutarotation is slowly. But we have rate of mutarotation it increased by the heating the solution and some type adding the catalyst. So second type is the phenomenon of mutarotation occurs slowly in aqueous medium. However, its rate can be enhanced either by the heating the solution or by adding the some type of catalyst like a acid or base catalyst. Okay. Now we have third type. Third type of characteristics of the mutarotation compound. The one can study mutarotation by noting change in optical rotation of a sugar solution. Besides the optical rotation, one can study mutarotation by the following changes in a IR NMR spectra. Some type of compound is mutarotation process and noting change in the optical rotation sugars, and besides the optical rotation one can study mutarotation also following by the IR or NMR spectra. So this is the Three characteristics compounds of the mutarotation. Some facts regarding the mutarotation are as follows. All reducing sugars exhibits the mutarotations. Second type, the phenomenon of mutarotation occurs slowly in aqueous medium, but it's the rate of the mutarotation by the heating the solution or adding the some type of catalyst like a acid or base. And the third type, one can study mutarotation by noting change in the optical rotation of sugars solution. Besides the optical rotation, one can study by the also changes in IR or NMR spectra. Optical rotation in the compound, so changes in the IR and NMR spectra. Now, mutarotation have some types. So some various types of the mutarotation. In the we have learned about the three various type of mechanism of the mutarotation. And the first of all, Tollens mechanism. Second is Lorry mechanism, and third and final is the accept trade mechanism. So various types of mutarotation are as follows, and some mechanism are as follows. First of all, Tollens mechanism. Second was Lorry mechanism, and third was accept trade mechanism. So this is the process of a mutarotation. First of all, definition of mutarotation, some compound characteristics of mutarotation. It have three types, and finally types of the mutarotation. Three types of the mutarotation and three types of mutarotation mechanism: Tollens mechanism, Lorry mechanism, and accept trade mechanism. Now, various types of mechanism of mutarotation. Three type of mechanism of mutarotation: Tollens mechanism, Lorry mechanism, and accept trade mechanism. Now we have learned about the first mechanism is the Tollens mechanism. Now, first of all, we have taken the D-glucose oxide ring structure. D-glucose oxide ring structure. This is the D-glucose oxide ring structure. It's converted into the D-glucose. This is the D-glucose. D-glucose oxide ring structure is converted by the mutarotation in the D-glucose, and also D-glucose is converted into the second type of the isomer of the D-glucose oxide ring structure. This hydroxyl group is converted in first position, and this hydrogen goes down in the second position. This is the second position. So there are the three structures. First of all, D-glucose oxide ring structure is mutarotation by and converted into the D-glucose, and D-glucose is converted into the second type of the isomer of the D-glucose oxide ring structure. So this method is Tollens mechanism. First of all, D-glucose oxide ring structure is converted into the D-glucose, and D-glucose is converted into the second type of the D-glucose oxide ring structure. So this mechanism is called Tollens mechanism. This hydroxyl group is converted into the first position, and this hydrogen is in the second position. So two types of the isomer of the D-glucose oxide ring structure, and this method is called the Tollens mechanism. Now we have learned about the Lorry mechanism. In the first of all Lorry mechanism, we have taken the glucose dimethyl mercaptan. Glucose dimethyl mercaptan. This is the structure of the glucose dimethyl mercaptan. Glucose dimethyl mercaptan is reacted with the pyridine and in the presence of the acetic anhydride. This is the acetic anhydride. And this is the structure of the pyridine. This is the structure of a pyridine and acetic anhydride. In the Lorry mechanism, we have learned about the Lorry mechanism. First of all, we take the glucose dimethyl mercaptan in the presence of acetic anhydride and pyridine, and to produce our first intermediate product. And this first intermediate product is reacted with the mercury chloride and cadmium carbonate. This is our first intermediate product is reacted with the mercury chloride in the presence of water and also cadmium carbonate, and finally it is produced the 2,3,4,5,6 penta-acetaldehyde glucose. Penta-acetaldehydo-glucose. This is the structure of the 2,3,4,5,6 penta-acetaldehydo-glucose. This mechanism is called Lowry mechanism. First of all, we have taken the glucose dimethyl mercaptan. It is reacted with the acetic anhydride, and in the presence of pyridine, it is produced our first intermediate product. And this intermediate product is reacted with the mercury chloride in the presence of water and cadmium carbonate. And finally, it is produced the 2,3,4,5,6 penta-acetaldehydo-glucose. So this method is called Lowry mechanism. And final mechanism of the meta rotation is accepted mechanism. In the accepted mechanism, the structure of the aldehyde open chain, this is the aldehyde open chain, is converted in the four type of the compound, beta furanose and alpha furanose, and alpha pyranose and beta pyranose. So accepted mechanism is the learn about the aldehyde open chain in the converted into the four type of the compound, alpha pyranose and alpha furanose, and beta furanose and beta pyranose. And this is the example of the accepted mechanism. Tetramethyl glucose and 2-hydroxypyridine is converted into the some type of compound 2-ketopyridine. This is the structure of 2-ketopyridine and the structure of carbonyl and aldehyde compounds. This is the accepted mechanism. Aldehyde open chain is converted into the four type of the compound, alpha pyranose and alpha furanose, beta furanose and beta pyranose, or alpha pyranose and beta pyranose, and beta furanose and alpha furanose. And the tetramethyl glucose and 2-hydroxypyridine is converted into the 2-ketopyridine and long chain of the carbonyl and hydroxyl group of the compound. And this method is called accepted mechanism. So this is the third method of the meta rotation. So meta rotation have a three type mechanism: Tollens mechanism, Lowry mechanism, and accepted mechanism. Three type of the mechanism of the meta rotation. So friends, we have finally completed this chapter, carbohydrates, and now we have started a new chapter in a 503 subject, physical and analytical chemistry, in the next lecture.